Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Xiaomi 14R and I want to show you how manage your Google passwords on this device. To manage it, open Google Chrome application, tap on three dots on the right corner and there choose settings. In it, we must tap on our Google Password Manager and there we have password which our smartphone remember. To manage it, press on it, enter our look screen to get connected to that, and in it we can copy our email and copy our username and password by this first icon, or after we press this size icon our smartphone shows us password which remember. You can also share this password to someone by this icon and share, or we can edit all by tap on edit and write something new in username, note or passwords. Remember, when you change something, press save. The last function which we can do there is delete password which our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete again. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.